Last week I went for a walk and something inside of me told me to pause and look down, and I did. When I looked down on the right side, I saw this black and brown caterpillar crawling on the sidewalk. I couldn't believe it. It was crawling right in the middle of a sidewalk where anyone or anything could squash it with a single innocent step. That little caterpillar was exposed to all sorts of danger. So I kept on my walk, and then I thought about that caterpillar, and eventually something clicked in my head. That little caterpillar was fragile, but it had this fierce calling to keep crawling, even when the path looked impossible. That small creature embodied the raw truth. Life pushes us to be resilient, even when we are most exposed. Life puts us all out there like that, in the open, fragile, and facing danger. But the real strength isn't about never breaking, it's about standing firm in our truth, even when everything tries to knock us down. So, despite being vulnerable to many forces, our real work is to keep moving. So, now how about you? Have you ever felt so exposed, like one wrong step could break you, but something inside of you still told you to keep moving anyway? Because that's where real transformation begins. That's resilience.